Hi there, I'm Mrs. Sabrin, your phonics coach. Welcome to my channel, Funics Reader. In the group 1 sounds, you have learned that yes has a sound s, a has a sound a, t has a sound t, I has a sound I, p has a sound p, and n has a sound n. In the group 2 sounds, you have learned that C has a sound K has a sound K, E has a sound H has a sound R has a sound M has a sound and D has a sound D. If you haven't seen the previous lessons video, the links are in the description. Subscribe for more video lessons. In this video, let's learn two new letter sounds of group 3. Are you ready? Let's get started. Look at this picture. The water is dripping from the tap and making the sound G. There's a letter which makes the sound G. Do you know which letter it is? It's the letter G. G has a sound G. Let's say it together. G has the sound G. G has a sound G. Good job. Look at this picture. When we switch on and off the light, there comes a sound O. There's a letter which makes the sound O. Do you know which letter it is? It's the letter O. O has a sound O. Let's say it together. O has the sound O. O has the sound O. Good job. Now it's blending time. What is blending? Blending means joining sounds together to read a word. Let's try it. You know that the letter G has the sound G. Now we are going to read a three-letter word using the sounds we already know. So let's blend three sounds together. What is this sound? G. And what is this sound? A. Let's blend them. G, A, ga. What is this sound? P. Shall we blend them all? G, A, ga, P. Gap. Let's try again. G, A, ga, P. Gap. Great job. You just read a three-letter word. Let's read another word. What is this sound? G. What is this sound? Let's blend them. G, grr. What is this sound? I. Let's blend them. Gr, grr, I. Gree. What is this sound? P. Shall we blend them all? G, grr, I. Gree, P. Grip. Let's try again. G, grr, I. Gree, P. Grip. Great job. You just read a four-letter word. You know that the letter O has the sound O. Let's read another word. What is this sound? P. What is this sound? O. Let's blend them. P, O. Paw. What is this sound? Let's blend them. P, O, paw. Pawn. What is this sound? D. Shall we blend them all? P, O, paw, pond, pond. Let's try again. P, O, paw, pond, pond. Great job! You just read another four-letter word. Let's read another word. What is this sound? K. What is this sound? O. Let's blend them. K, O, ka. What is this sound? S. Let's blend them. K, O, ka. S. Cos. What is this sound? T. Shall we blend them all? K, O, ka. S. Cos. T. Cost. Let's try again. K, O, ka. S. Cost. Cost. Great job. You just read another four-letter word. Now you know G has a sound G, O has a sound O. Subscribe for more phonics lessons. Keep practicing the sounds every day and try to blend and read the words. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.